How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your login is temporarily disabled. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If your Snapchat login has been temporarily disabled, there could be many underlying issues with this. The first thing you want to do is to simply search for Snapchat app on your Play Store or your App Store and check if it has an update available. So if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Sometimes you might just want to wait and try again later because you could have that issue if your login has been disabled. Snapchat will temporarily restrict your account from trying to log in. So waiting a couple of hours or 1 or 2 days is most likely also going to solve the problem. If none of these help, you can also try to reset your password. So you can go to the login button, tap on the forgot your password button, and you can reset your password via phone or via email to reset it and see if Snapchat lets you log into your account. Now, if none of these are working, then lastly, the only solution I can provide you is that you can try to use any VPN, proxy, or Cloudflare settings. So here you can use this app, connect to a VPN or any server that you prefer and try to log in to see if that helps you. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.